Welcome to English Learning Booster. Here, you learn English new words. You improve your fluency and speaking by listening and learning with stories. So sit back, relax, and let's begin today's story. Today's story is about a man who believed in the impossible. A man who said, "If something is important enough, you should try, even if the probable outcome is failure." This is the story of Elon Musk. Elon Reeve Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. From a very young age, Elon was different from other children. While other kids were playing outside, Elon was reading books. Not just storybooks, but books about science, technology, and the universe. By the age of 9, he had already read the entire encyclopedia. His parents noticed that he was a very curious and intelligent child. Curious means always wanting to learn and know more about things. Elon had a difficult childhood. His parents divorced when he was young. He was also bullied at school. Other boys would push him, hurt him, and make fun of him. One time, a group of boys pushed him down a flight of stairs. He was taken to the hospital. But Elon never gave up. He became stronger. At just 12 years old, Elon created his very first computer game. He named it Blastar. He sold this game to a magazine for $500. This was the beginning of Elon Musk, the entrepreneur. Entrepreneur means a person who starts their own business and takes risks to make it successful. When Elon was 17 years old, he made a very bold decision. Bold means brave, not afraid to take risks. He did not want to serve in the South African army, and he believed that America was the land of opportunities. So he decided to move, first to Canada, and then to the United States. With very little money in his pocket, Elon worked hard. He did small jobs. He cleaned boilers. He cut wood. He did whatever it took to survive. Survive means to manage to keep living through something difficult. He studied at Queen's University in Canada and then transferred to the University of Pennsylvania in the USA. At university, he studied both economics and physics. He was always thinking about the future. He believed that the most important problems in the world were these. Number 1, the internet. Number 2, clean energy. Number 3, space travel. And he decided one day he would solve all 3. In 1995, Elon moved to California to study at Stanford University. But he only attended Stanford for 2 days. Why? Because he had a big idea, and he couldn't wait. He left university and started his first company with his brother Kimball. They called it Zip2, a software company that helped newspapers find directions and locations online. In 1999, a big company called Compaq bought Zip2 for $307 million. Elon received $22 million from this deal. He was only 27 years old. But he didn't stop. He immediately invested his money into a new idea, an online payment company called X.com. X.com later became PayPal, the payment system that millions of people use today. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion. Elon received $165 million. He was now very, very rich. But what did he do with all that money? Most people would buy a big house, cars, and live a comfortable life. But not Elon Musk. Elon had a dream. He wanted humans to live on Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is often called the Red Planet. In 2002, he founded a company called SpaceX, Space Exploration Technologies Corporation. Everyone thought he was crazy. Scientists, engineers, and experts all said, "It is impossible for a private company to build rockets." But Elon didn't listen. He invested almost all of his personal money into SpaceX. The first 3 rocket launches failed. 3 times. The rocket exploded. Elon lost hundreds of millions of dollars. He had very little money left. He was stressed, tired, and close to giving up. In an interview, Elon said, with tears in his eyes, "I never thought I would be the one to start a rocket company. I didn't want to. But I knew that if I didn't do something, it would not happen." And then, the 4th launch. In 2008, SpaceX launched its rocket called Falcon 1, and it was a success. This was a historic moment. For the first time in history, a private company had successfully launched a rocket into orbit. NASA, the American Space Agency, was so impressed that they gave SpaceX a $1.6 billion contract. While Elon was building SpaceX, he was also working on another dream. He believed that cars burning gasoline and diesel were destroying our planet. So in 2004, he joined a small electric car company called Tesla Motors. He became the chairman and later the CEO, the boss of Tesla. At first, Tesla struggled. The cars were expensive. Many people didn't believe in electric cars. The company was losing money. In 2008, during the global financial crisis, Tesla almost went bankrupt. Bankrupt means when a company or person cannot pay their debts and has no money left. Elon was so desperate that he borrowed money from friends just to pay his employees. But he never gave up. Over the years, Tesla produced beautiful, fast, and affordable electric cars. The Tesla Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y. They became some of the most popular cars in the world. Today, Tesla is one of the most valuable companies on Earth. And because of Tesla, the entire car industry is shifting to electric vehicles. But Elon Musk didn't stop with SpaceX and Tesla. He also co-founded OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research company. He started Neuralink, a brain-computer interface company. He started The Boring Company, which digs underground tunnels to reduce traffic in cities. And in 2022, Elon Musk bought Twitter for $44 billion and renamed it X. In 2021, Elon Musk became the richest person in the entire world. His net worth crossed $300 billion at its peak. He achieved what seemed impossible, not once, not twice, but many, many times. He proved that failure is not the end. It is just the beginning of a new try. So what can we learn from Elon Musk? Lesson 1. Never stop reading and learning. Knowledge is your greatest weapon. Lesson 2. Don't be afraid to fail. Every failure teaches you something new. Lesson 3. Dream big. Even if people call you crazy, keep going. Lesson 4. Hard work beats talent. Elon Musk works 80 to 100 hours every week. Lesson 5. Believe in yourself. even when no one else does. And that was the incredible story of Elon Musk, the man who dared to dream and turned those dreams into reality. I hope you enjoyed this story, and most importantly, I hope you learned some new English words today. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep improving your English every single day. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to English Learning Booster. And tell me in the comments, what topic do you want me to make a video on next? I will make a video on your topic. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.